Meet the EKO Morandi Smart Sensor Bin, where intelligent design meets everyday convenience. Usage of the liner ring. Place your liner bag snugly over the liner ring. To power it up, simply rotate and unlock the battery compartment. Insert alkaline batteries in the correct orientation. Lock, powered, ready. Hold the button for 3 seconds. Morandi awakens. The infrared sensor detects motion instantly. Just approach and it opens for you. After 5 seconds, it closes softly and silently. Press the button and it locks in place for up to 20 minutes. Perfect for tasks that take a little longer. A quick tap closes it manually. Just like that, it's back to sensing your every move. The back handle makes it easy to move. Just grab and go with one hand. This is the EKO Morandi Smart Sensor Bin. Smarter cleanup simplified.